Hello everyone, how are you? I am your teacher. You can call me Mr. Rumi. I will answer some important questions which will be very helpful for you. So I welcome you on my channel Class Beta where we will be discussing question.
How to draw Lewis dot structures in almost 1 minute. Correct answer is to draw Lewis dot structures in almost 1 minute. Number 1. Determine the total number of valence electrons in the molecule. 2. Write the chemical symbol surrounded by the valence electrons for each atom. 3. Connect the atoms with a single bond, 2 electrons. 4. Distribute to the remaining electrons to fulfill the octet rule for each atom. 5. Count the total number of electrons to ensure it matches the ideal count. 6. If needed, use double or triple bonds to satisfy the octet rule for central atoms. This quick and efficient method will allow you to draw Lewis dot structures in nearly 1 minute.
So that was our today's correct answer to question. If you have any other question, please let me know in the comment section. I will be answering your question soon. Thanks for watching the video. Be sure to like, share and subscribe our channel. See you in the next question. Bye bye.